Hello and welcome to the lecture series on economics of growth and development. In the previous classes, we have seen two indices. One is the physical quality of life index developed by M.D. Morris, and the second is the human development index developed by Amartya Sen and Meghnad Desai. So let us look at human poverty index, which is again another important complement to human development index as propounded by United Nations. So let's see what human poverty index has for us. So human poverty index was an indication of the standard of living in a country developed by the United Nations to complement the human development index. So this index, which is human poverty index, was developed in the anticipation that it will complement the already existing index, which is the human development index, and this index, human poverty index, will look into the standard of living specifically. Let us now look into greater details what HPI has for us. Now, human poverty index was first reported as a part of the human development report in 1997. So this was first reported as a part of human development report in 1997. Furthermore, human poverty index was considered to better reflect the extent of deprivation in developing countries as compared to human development index. So the United Nations claims that why we are complementing, why our index is complementing HDI, because it is considered to be the better extent, or it is considered to be the better reflect of the extent of deprivation in most of the developing countries as compared to HDI. Now here I am talking about it in relative sense. As compared to HDI, this one is better. Furthermore, in 2010, the human poverty index was substituted or supplanted by the United Nations multidimensional poverty index. So if you see the chronology, first we had something called as physical quality of life index. This was overruled by HDI, or not overruled, but it was taken over by HDI, and then we came with human poverty index, and human poverty index is later overtaken by multidimensional poverty index. So I hope the chronology is pretty much clear. Let us now look into greater details as to what human poverty index has for us. So the human poverty index concentrates on the deprivation. It is concentrating on what? It is concentrating on deprivation in three essential elements of human life. What are they? First is the longevity, second is knowledge, and third is decent standard of living. So these are the three indicators, or these are the three elements in which human poverty index is looking at, or the deprivation in the three following things it is looking at. Deprivation in longevity, deprivation in knowledge, and then deprivation in decent standard of living. That is why the UN claims that it is a better indicator, or it complements the human development index already developed. There's a note which we have to remember, and it is a point of caution for us. Let us see what the note has to say. The note says that the human poverty index is calculated separately for, it is calculated separately for whom? It is calculated separately for the developing countries, and it is called as HPI1, which is human poverty index 1, and separately for OECD countries, which is also known as Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. So this is a multi-country organization. It has around 37 members, and it was precisely founded in 1961. It is headquartered in France, I think, but you please cross check it, and I'll just put the link in the description below to OECD, so you can read more about OECD countries. So it is a point of caution that human poverty index is calculated separately for developing countries as well as for OECD countries. On the contrary, when we look at the physical quality of life index, or for that matter the human development index, it was collectively calculated for all of the countries. So this is the point of distinction between the human poverty index and the previous indices which we have studied. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. In the next class, what we will do is we will look at how do we calculate the human poverty index for developing countries and for OECD countries separately. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much.